Hello everyone and welcome to The Green Sofa, our little corner of the web where we like to talk about our favourite thing in the whole wide world, skincare. In case you're interested, our second favourite thing to do is to binge watch Netflix whilst eating a tub of ice cream. So today we're going to be sharing a little more information about citric acid.
Oh God. Did you eat all this acid?
Whoa there, before you panic, it really isn't as scary as it sounds. Citric acid is an organic acid found in, well, you guessed it, citrus fruits such as lemons, oranges, grapefruits and some berries too. It all dates back to 1893 when this chap here, Carl Wilhelm Scheele, managed to crystallise it from lemon juice, and it was first used in the food industry to help flavour drinks, food and even baking as well.
Quite wet right underneath as well, it's damp. Slight soggy bottom there.
All soggy bottom jokes aside, you may be surprised to hear that this is a very common skin ingredient, with 1 million tonnes of it produced every year and formulated into 10,000 different types of products. This is due to the fact that it is a member of a huge group of chemical exfoliants called AHAs, and that stands for alpha hydroxy acids, all of which provide amazing skin benefits. So what is it about citric acid that's so amazing, and is it really that good for the skin? Let's find out more. Some of the main skincare benefits that citric acid provides is combating blackheads and breakouts, improving the appearance of pigmentation and dark spots, giving you a more even complexion. It can help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and finally it can help unclog pores, making them look a little less noticeable. You'll also find that build-up of dead skin cells that make the skin look really lackluster and a bit dull is also a thing of the past. You'll also find that citric acid is packed with antioxidants, all of which can protect the skin from daily aggressors and free radical damage that happens as soon as you step foot outside your front door. By this I mean pollution, exposure to the sun and its UV rays, and also other environmental aggressors such as bad weather. So all of these and many more can come into contact with the skin and cause damage to the outer surface and the protective skin barrier. This over time can then develop into all manner of skin concerns, from premature aging, frequent flare-ups in redness and constant breakouts. You'll also find the skin is lacking in that glow we are all dying to achieve. There is one property of citric acid that makes it a little bit different to the other AHAs, and that is its ability to adjust pH levels in skincare formulations. Now, are you paying attention in the back? Because this bit's about to get tricky. So, pH levels need to remain balanced, but quite often in skincare formulations can become a bit too alkaline. Once applied onto the skin, this can deplete the vital fats it needs to remain healthy. This is mainly because you'll find that the pH levels in your skin are naturally more acidic. Now, bear in mind it's best not to apply a skincare formulation that has a lot more acidic in it, because it can become a lot more irritating, it can cause redness and some severe dryness as well. Luckily for us, citric acid is amazing at balancing pH levels, which probably explains why you find it in so many formulations. When it comes to exfoliating, citric acid is amazing at restoring glow back to the skin. There is one very important point to remember though, and that is ensuring you're using the correct concentrate. Studies have shown you can find different levels of citric acid in concentrates that can reach up to 20%, but this is for professional use only, so don't use these at home.
I've looked better.
Not to worry though, as there are plenty of over-the-counter alternatives that you can use that are safe and effective to use. So if that isn't enough for you, citric acid has been clinically proven to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots caused by exposure to UV rays. It'll do this by protecting the outer layers of the skin and repairing any damage caused to the skin barrier. It'll also prevent any extra UV damage penetrating further down into the skin. Now, as amazing as it is at repairing sun damage, it can also make the skin super photosensitive, so make sure you apply a daily SPF of 30 and above, just to keep your skin protected, because, let's face it, you don't want to end up like this.
Don't you dare touch me!
So, I know what you're thinking, this acid sounds amazing, and how can I introduce it to my skincare routine? You'll find that citric acid is one of the more gentle AHAs, but just a word of warning, if you have a skin type that is dry and hypersensitive, and often you might experience flare-ups in rosacea, eczema or dermatitis, it's best to consult with a doctor and a dermatologist just to make sure that it's going to be safe for the skin. You can also perform a patch test just to avoid any unwanted irritation or allergic reaction. So there you have a little more information about citric acid and its skincare benefits. But before you go, there is a top tip I'd like to share with you. Citric acid is one of the AHAs that can perform its magic in its most natural state. So next time you find yourself having a little mishap like this,
I'm an 8!
then try halving a lemon and rubbing it on any areas you want to dissolve. Leave it for 10 minutes, shower and rinse. And there you have it, problem solved. So next time life gives you lemons, at least now you know what else to do with them. So I guess it's time to say that I hope you found today's video useful and that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also click the little bell so you're reminded when we upload a next video. So, hope to see you again next time, and remember, your skin looks after you, so don't forget to look after it too.